Hey friends, Sarah here with Sara Bags, helping you find fun and functional solutions for your lifestyle. So today I am going to do a product demo on our Market Tote. So this is canvas product. It's thick canvas. And you can see on it here, I used our screen printing where I did the outnumbered by tiny humans, hashtag mom life, had to have a little fun with it. But it just shows you the different options that we have where you could embroider on this. You can do the screen print on this. But this is a great bag. It's got the faux leather handles. And then on the inside, it's just wide open. But one nice feature is it does have a little D-ring here. So if you have anything like the key fob or something like that, where you can just attach your your keys there, or any other thing that you might have, you can. It's a good size bag. Okay, this would be great for if you have a farmer's market to go to and you can put the food in there. You can use this for anything as a purse. This is great for teachers' gifts. It folds up nicely for if you want it for travel or to keep it in another bag. But this runs for $40, and you can get this, well, no, this is just in the natural color. So if you want more information about this product, make sure you check out all the information below. And if you like these demos, make sure you subscribe. But otherwise, thanks for watching.